good? What's up and what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So I never thought I would be filming another video like this so soon. I thought it was gonna be like later on down the line in some years and stuff. I didn't think it was gonna be this soon. But we're saying goodbye to Old Reliable. And if y'all watch my other videos, I've mentioned Old Reliable in my videos a few times. Not a lot, but I mentioned it in my video because, baby, I got from A to B successfully. We're getting a new car. Like, it doesn't even seem real at this point because it's so soon. It's really soon because I've had my other car for a year. If it haven't been a year, it's been a year. I've had my car for a year. But yeah, y'all, we're about to go say goodbye to Old Reliable, and I'm so sad. Y'all, that car was there for me though. That car was there. It jerked, but it got us from point A to B with minor issues now, but it got us there. So I can't show y'all that, but I just got done with all my paperwork and everything. So now we're about to go out to get the car. Y'all, look at this car right here. This car right here looks so good. Oh my God. This is the next one. Yeah, look at the inside. Look at it. It looks so nice on the inside. Look at it. That looks so good.
Congrats.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How much? So that car is. That car is a lot. Oh my God. See, you all, there it goes. Yeah, it's so windy out here. There it goes. That's how the inside look. I'll show y'all later tomorrow, but it's so cold and we got to go. So, yeah. So, there it goes. Y'all, this is my old car. I'm gonna miss you so much. This is All Reliable, y'all. She got me through everything. She dirty, but she got me through everything. Sir? Yeah, my daddy just rushing me, boy. Trying to make sure I got all my stuff. But you guys, I'm gonna miss my car. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God, I'm gonna miss it so much. I'm gonna miss it. Oh my God. Okay, but now I gotta go for real. Cause my daddy. Right, so we're in Walmart and we're trying to find some. Oh, there you go, right there. We're in Walmart and we're trying to find some stuff for my car. The what is it? The steering wheel. That's all I want right now. So that's what we're looking for. So we're just going out and some floor mats maybe. That's all they got. Where Tam was at when she was talking about? Oh. Which one in Walmart you said that?
It's subtle. But this is mostly guy style. But
Yeah. No. Oh my God, Daddy, look, it's right here. This it. Ew, what's that? This is what I wanted.
yeah, look at the steering wheel on. Yeah.
So we're over here at the washing stuff, but I'll get with y'all later because they have music, but I think this is what I'm going with, and I think I want all black everything. So oh, I don't think it fit. All right, y'all. So this is how the seat covers look, and y'all, they lied because on the cover of these, on the picture of these seat covers, they look like they fit tighter and everything. Probably not the correct seat covers for my car, but this is what we're working with because I'm not taking these back. This is the steering wheel. Like the padding is like, the padding feel real nice. So, but yeah, it's so wrinkly and like big and a lot of room right here. But so I'm about to go in the house, hold at the same time.
Hey, bitch, I'm a problem, nobody solving. You can keep hating, I'm popping regardless. He wanna feel it like Megan Thee Stallion. Don't want your nigga cause I want his daddy. I like to switch.